Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on social media marketing with Facebook, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your goals for social media marketing on Facebook. Identify your target audience to ensure your content resonates with the right people. Create a content calendar to plan your posts and maintain consistent engagement. Utilize Facebook's free tools, such as Business Suite, to manage your pages and ads efficiently. Leverage organic reach by optimizing your posts for engagement, using eye-catching visuals and compelling copy. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Join relevant Facebook groups to network, share your expertise, and promote your brand organically. Collaborate with other businesses or influencers to broaden your reach without a high cost. Invest in Facebook ads strategically by setting a budget and targeting specific demographics. Monitor your analytics regularly to understand what content performs best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Run contests or giveaways to encourage engagement and increase your following at little to no cost. Repurpose existing content by sharing blog posts, videos, or testimonials tailored for Facebook. Keep testing different ad formats and content types to see what resonates most with your audience. Consider using user-generated content to build trust and authenticity without spending on production. Stay updated with Facebook's algorithm changes to adjust your strategies for maximum visibility. Utilize the Facebook Pixel to track conversions and optimize your advertising efforts efficiently. Focus on building a community by creating groups where your audience can interact and share ideas. Explore Facebook's live video feature for real-time engagement and connection with your audience. Consistency is key. Maintain a regular posting schedule to keep your brand top of mind. By following these steps, you can effectively save on social media marketing expenses while maximizing your impact on Facebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.